Hey, because of some of the challenges that we are facing using OBS or the Open Broadcast software, sometimes there are there are times that the screen freezes, but the time still runs when you play the video. So for now, let's shift to Bandicam, but this one is a paid software. Okay, so I have purchased a license for this one. Anyway, now going back. Now we have finished using the two plugins, which is the availability, experience availability, and the level up block plugins. Okay, now let's go to the next two. Okay, another pair. That is to add an inventory of items. We have stash and stash availability. First, we're going to install stash. Of course, just like the usual that we do, just go to site administration. We go to plugins and install plugins. Now here in the install plugins, you can see here the block stash. Actually, I have already downloaded that. So what we're going to do is to just drag and drop it here and wait for the progress bar to finish, then click install plugin from the zip file. Now after that, once it has passed the validation, we can click install plugin button, and there you go, it will continue. Then click upgrade Moodle database now. And of course, now we have successfully installed the block stash. And with this one, okay, to maximize the use of this, let's install the stash availability. Remember, we have finished level up and level up availability. Now we are here in stash and stash availability. Okay, go again to plugins, install plugins. Then yeah, I have already downloaded the availability stash plugin, and we can just drag and drop it here, over here. And then click install plugin from the zip file, since we have already finished with the progress bar. Validation passed. Click install plugin over here. Click install plugin. Now let's click upgrade Moodle database. Okay, upgrade Moodle database now. And then now we are finished with that. Click continue. Now, the tricky part here is, okay, we need to check how to use this one. We need to enable the filter stash snippets. Oh, we also need to install this filter stash. Do we have it here? Oh, if we don't have it here, we need to download it. Okay. Okay, we have already downloaded the filter stash. But wait, let me double check if we have really installed the block stash. Actually, this is to add items, right? Items. Okay, failed because we have already installed it. already exists. Anyway, let's go to another one. Install plugins. Let's check the availability. Okay. If we have already installed also this one, then the last one will be the filter snippets. Okay. Install plugin from the zip file. Okay. It seems that we have already installed. Okay, that one. Now, the last one will be the filter stash. So we can complete the whole stash set. We can now add the inventory, add items, so that we are not only leveling up, but we are also picking up some random items in the pages that we're visiting, or in the content, whether we need to answer exercises, answering questions, or quizzes, or reading the content in paragraph. Excuse me. We can randomly, maybe not randomly, but of course, the system administrator or the content creator can add to in whatever places within the course, okay, some items that the participants or the learner can pick up. Okay. Now that we have installed the three plugins, let's watch this video. Turn editing on. So when add an activity, so which is the page. Excuse me. So, okay. So, for example, after saving, we will now create an item for the stash. So, we should add first the stash block. Go to the setting, click the item, add an item. We need to type the item name, and then we, of course, upload the file from your computer. Or if not, we can look for a picture through Wikimedia. In naming the location where the drop is located, we limited. Then we can choose the time interval, collection interval. Once we have saved changes, we have here a list of items. There. And this page contains a JavaScript snippet for embedding elsewhere. Okay, we have here the JavaScript. We don't need to learn how to make the code, but we just need to copy the code. Now, after copying that, we're going to the course. Of course, we need to check which course content, in which module. So, for example, for a termites page, we need to edit that. And of course, we have the content here. Okay, we need to click the symbol for HTML section and paste the code. And then go back and save and display. Now here, there's a termite, there's a picture there. We can click the button that we have collected that. And that's it. So now, let's try to just imitate what he has done in the demonstration. Okay, stash, stash, stash. Not here, but maybe in the courses. Okay, let's go to the VA training 1. And we can add the block there. Okay. Here, add the block. Look for the stash. Stash. Are you there? There. Stash is here. Okay. Oh, where is it located? Oh, are you really down there? Oh, this is here. Okay. Let's move it to the other side. Stash, maybe we can just place it here. Now we have the stash here. We already have the course content, so let's just go to the setup for stash. And we have here, should be the list of items. Since there is no items yet, report, visible groups or participants. Okay. Now let's have this, add an item. Okay, we're going to add an item. For example, let's think of something that's related to virtual assistant for the BPO industry. What's a good item? So maybe, for example, we're going to pick up a Oh. Okay, let's say computer. Wait. Oh, the BPO industry. Since in home office. Uh, Oh, okay. Since it's about course outline, so for example, we can like a virtual assistant, let's say guidebook. Now let's look for an image through Wikimedia and search for about, let's say, book. Book of Mormons. Come on. Right. Search for guidebook. Guidebook to Blue Guide. Just guidebook. Really? I can't see any suitable picture here. Well, let's just go with a simple word like a book. Oh, I do need to complicate things. Yeah, since it's a guidebook, for example. Oh, okay. What is one? Sidebook flat. Select this file. That's it. We have the details here. I can just save changes. Now we have it here. Now what's next? Let's add a new location. Virtual assistant guidebook. Let's say, for example, in the room. Okay. Supplies. It's unlimited. Collection interval is, for example, every 5. Oh, this is. Oh, no. 5 minutes. Okay, so okay. Now that we have finished it, where do we see the snippet? The JavaScript snippet. Oh, come on. Why did I click the edit button? Anyway. Maybe I can try to click. Maybe this one is clickable. Hey. Sorry? Okay, let's go back. Where did he access that? No. Dream termites page. No. Ah. How did... Ah, the location. Okay, it should show a link. Okay. In the room. This is the snippet. Oh, this is the use of the filter snippet. We just need to click this. We just need to copy this, and we can randomly choose or yes, decide where we are going to. No, here, where we are in what page we are going to place that. Aspiring virtual assistant training. Okay. Now we need to choose. Maybe be here. For example, this outline. No, we just need to click the inside of the lesson. No. Then I need to look for. Oh, this is. I go to edit. This is the actual course outline, and we have that item as a guidebook. I need to edit this. I'm sorry. Page content here. So yeah, I need to click this. No, it's in HTML format. Okay, so maybe we can just place here BR, then there. Okay. Let's see if it will work. We just follow. We just followed what the demonstration video showed. Should be able to see it in the preview. Okay. This should work somehow. There! And click here. Pick up. Oh, it doesn't look good here. Maybe we need to put a line break to have a space between the pickup and the next page buttons. So we have already picked that up. Okay, we have already picked up those items. Okay, there are items that we pick along the way. Like, yeah, you're collecting items. Where is the documentation for this one? Report. Then actions. Oh, okay. Now we can identify. We understand that. So that's the use of stash.